Yo, what's up, guys? So we're back again with another Mosaic football opening. I've been excited to do this one. I want to get into some Mosaic cards. Definitely one of my favorite releases so far of the year, especially when it comes to football. So today we got 2 Cello packs here. You're going to find 15 cards inside, 30 cards in total, and we're looking for 3 exclusive Mosaic camo pink parallels. And look for retail exclusive autographs and scripts and rookie scripts. So this is what the pack looks like if you guys have never seen it before. Okay, so let's get into it. So we're gonna have a left stack and a right stack, and we'll see which Cello pack did better. Alright, so we're getting into this left one first. So in this, you get your 2 Mosaic packs with 6 cards in each. 1, 2, and then here's your bonus pink pack. So we'll open that last. And then let's get into the right Cello pack. So these are about, I think, after tax, about 20 bucks Canadian, if you can find them in Walmart. On the secondary market, I don't know what they're going for, probably like 30, probably double that. So we got our other 2 packs and our bonus pink parallels. So in the background, you can see some of the cards we pulled. So we got this Joe Burrow silver, Tua silver, Chase Claypool green Mosaic. So that's what the green Mosaics look like if you've never seen them before. These cards are just phenomenal. And then we got a Lamar Jackson base in the background. So we're going to start with our first pack here. So we'll open it. Let's see. Don't want to spoil it. Alright. Let's see what we got. Okay, first off, we have a Matthew Stafford, a Cole Beasley, a Jarrett Stidham, a green Jerome Bettis. Let's see, then, Will to Win, Danny Dimes, Daniel Jones, Will to Win. I think that's just a regular. And a Jonathan Taylor rookie card. Cool. Okay. Nice. Alright. Next pack up. This one's a little bit tougher to open. Okay. So, in the next pack, we have Andre Johnson, a Tony Gonzalez, Eddie George. I don't have that one yet, so that's nice. A Lawrence Taylor base. Flea Flicker, Green Bay Packers, Aaron Rodgers, Aaron Jones, and Devontae Adams. And the last card is a Patrick Mahomes MVP. Is nice. So I already have that one, but it's still a nice card to have. We'll go move these over here. Put our inserts there. Alright, next up, we have our bonus pink camo parallels. So let's see what we can get out of this. We're hoping for a Tua, Joe Burrow, Justin Herbert, Patrick Mahomes, any of those guys. So, first off, we got Deshaun Watson, TJ Watt, and a Brian Urlacher, Hall of Fame. Alright, so first pack wasn't the best, so let's see what the right can come up with. Okay, so we got a Thurman Thomas, a Will Fuller, the 5th, Devin McCourty, a green Le'Veon Bell, a got game Darius Leonard, and a CD Lamb rookie card. So that's pretty good. That is a pretty good pull. He's one of the guys you're looking for, although the Cowboys are struggling right now, but definitely a good pull. One of the better rookies to get. Okay, next pack up, we have a Joe Mixon. Thought that was Burrow for a second. Tyreek Hill. Terry McLaurin. A Sam Darnold base. A will to win Peyton Manning. And a Hall of Fame Jim Kelly. Okay, will to win. Alright, so now for the bonus pink parallels. Let's see what we can get. Alright, a little bit tough to open on this one. Alright, so in this pack, we have a Julio Jones, a Michael Thomas, and a Derek Brown rookie card. Wow. Okay, so that's our first rookie, pink. Nice. Okay, so just to recap, we got out of the first Cello pack, we got a Patrick Mahomes, MVPs, a Jonathan Taylor rookie card, a Flea Flicker Green Bay Packers, a will to win Daniel Jones, and a Jerome Bettis green Mosaic. And then in the second one, we got a will to win Peyton Manning, a got game Darius Leonard, a green Derek Brown, or a pink Derek Brown, sorry, rookie card, a green Le'Veon Bell Mosaic, Jim Kelly Hall of Fame, and a CD Lamb rookie card. So one of our best pulls of the break. So let me know in the comments, guys, which pack you think was better, the left or the right. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.